Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be at the front part of the rat rod. Gonna try to get the forks off and paint those. And if we got more time, we'll try to get the this is the front wishbone and that one leaf that's still there, kind of off and painted. I didn't get to the leaf springs last week, so we'll finish spraying those out and hopefully front end will look a lot different. I do think this back looks pretty good. Let me flip you around here and show you what it looks like. This is gonna be like the color combination it's gonna be. I think it looks pretty good. Definitely looks better painted. I just can't wait to get this rear end fixed and painted as well, and it'll look really nice. But like I said, I didn't get these painted. Just ran out of time. So we'll flip these over, get those painted, and then we're gonna take both sides of these off. I think we just slip the shock off and bolt right here, and this one right here. We should be able just to slide that off and slide that out. And since we got that off, we can also take this other shackle off and get this out and paint it, hopefully. And we'll try to get to this today, but if not, then we'll put it back together and do it next time. But I think just disconnecting all this down here and getting everything ready is going to be a little bit time consuming. But I do like how it looks. Let me know your thoughts on the color combo here, but I think it looked pretty slick. I am probably not going to do a video next week, since next week will be Christmas. I want to spend time with friends and family. With that being said though, there will be a new video the next Monday. And if anything changes, I'll do a community post and let you know if I get out here before and able to shoot again, then we'll have another one. But as it stands now, no new video next week, but we'll continue the week after and keep on going. Let's get this thing swung around and we'll start taking stuff off and get stuff painted. So let's get to work. All right, we got the frame separated from the front, and I think we can do this. Hope we can. Anyways, turn around here and give you a look at it. Put ahead and paint those. Hopefully, being in the sun, some air going over them, they'll dry pretty quick. These on the other hand are pretty heavy. So we'll take this chuck out, which that's actually all in that nut turn. So just gotta turn it from this side, pull that out, pull this off, take this nut off. Probably going to take that one out. That way we can get this spring. And there's a nut down here. Take that out and pull that pin. After that, I say pin, but it's I guess it's a pin. Pull that out, and this should be free, other than this, which I'm thinking that probably screws on there somehow. So anyways, a little bit more to do. We'll get everything separated and hopefully not lose any of the pieces. I also need to get that, paint it, but not worry about that too much today. Mainly just want to get this and that spring done. That way we can put the springs back together, get them back on this. Anyways, let's start assembling this thing. All right, we got them disassembled. Could not get this bushing out of there, so I think it's part of the spring now. But I didn't twist that. Well, let's tape that off. We'll get around sandpaper as good as we can get. And there's not much grinding I think I'm going to do on this. I'm just going to make it not so rusty and paint it, because I know that one's not so bad. This one's a little bit worse, but I mean there's no like holes, or don't worry about the structural integrity of it. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty heavy duty. And then we'll have to go to the wire wheel with this. It's just a rusty mess. Try to knock these out with it being pressed in. Don't know what I was thinking, but before we put it all back together, we'll try to polish these a little bit, make them look kind of nicer. Other than that, I think, I'm not sure how we're gonna get this. We're gonna take the brakes off, the wheel off, in order to paint this. I think these are pressed on, maybe? I don't know. I have a couple, looks like grease certs. I'm not sure. If y'all know anything about this, let me know. We got a couple of things we need to paint down here. Of course, paint this bar and this bar again. But I'm doing things in threes, it seems like. Since I got 3 hooks, we'll paint them right here in the doorway today. Try to get all that fumes pushed outside and hang them here. Hopefully they'll dry quicker. But let's get these sanded down right quick. Then we'll hang them and paint them and see what they look like. Alright, we got these cleaned off best I can get them with some sandpaper, and not the greatest, but I think once we clean them with some grease remover and stuff, it should be alright. This leaf looks a little wonky. I don't know if you can tell, it's bent and kind of twisted a little bit. Hopefully that should work. And I forgot we had that one left to do, so we'll spray that one as well down here and start hanging these ones up when we open the garage door. But I'm gonna open the garage door and go ahead and get these wiped down, taped off, and get them up there, get them ready for paint. You hear my kids outside, they're playing, but one has a bad cough. But let's get these wiped down, begin painting, and then see what they look like. Alright, we got everything taped up. I think it looks pretty good. We'll start painting these and hopefully they turn out nice. But, let's get some paint on these right quick. right, we got it done. Airflow is better with the doors wide open, some fans blowing. But anyways, let me turn around here and let you look at what we got accomplished today. I think they'll turn out all right. I think we got all the metal covered. Of course, probably had some runs, which I kind of went kind of thick with it. But at least we can get our leaf springs back together and get the front end sort of done. But I think it'll turn out nice, especially when we get this big beast painted. We got a few spots back there we need to kind of get, but we'll get those eventually. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Well, you probably wait till next time to see it all kind of buttoned up like we did the rear here, just because it takes a little while for that paint to dry, and I don't want to be out here with the fumes too much longer. But anyways, I think we're at 9:35 now, so I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. It does mean a lot. If you made it all the way to the video, it helps tremendously. If you like this kind of stuff, please stick around, like, comment, subscribe. We got more on the rat rod to do, and be finishing up the front end, and we're gonna have to run brake lines here really soon, and fix the fuel tank. So we got more kind of piddly stuff to do before we actually start building it back up, but we're getting closer. Like I said, with me semi-retired now, I'm gonna have a little bit more time this next month to get out here and hopefully hit this pretty hard. But I want to say thank you again, and there probably won't be a video next Monday since it's Christmas, but we'll have one the Monday after for sure. But if I don't see y'all again before then, have a safe and Merry Christmas, and I'll see y'all next time.